What's up? For those of you that know me, my name's Corey. I'm here at Joyride Labs, and this is my electric dirt bike. Fully custom, originally made out of a Stealth Bomber frame, converted from an old downhill mountain bike I had a long time ago. It's seen many iterations, and it's finally come to a product I'm quite happy with. At this point, I'm riding the bike daily, multiple times, and I'm really starting to develop some of the minute details and things that I would like to work on. One, new shorter stem. The stem is about 3 inches shorter than the last one, which is going to bring the bars closer to my body. This way, riser handlebars. We're going to bring the bars from down here up to here. That was a 1.5 inch rise. This is a 3.5